Hey lovelies, it's your girl Swan Angel here bringing to you a brand new video. Now I know what you're thinking, a video on Thursday? Yes lovelies, it's a special treat because after watching Casey the Golden's video where she did fun Valentine's Day cards on the Tokyo Treat box, snack box, which I personally would love to try out. While watching her video, I got my own ideas of fun puns to do, and for some reason this was the first idea that came to my mind, which was something to do with sarcastic people, which I am one. And this is totally something that I would say, like for fun. And I'm sorry, but this video was really last minute. I originally was not planning on doing a Valentine's Day team video, but I was super inspired after these ideas came and I rushed it to try and make it for Wednesday, but I was unable to. So you'll get a video out on Thursdays, and I hope you enjoy it, lovelies, because I had so much fun creating these, even though this one was kind of gross, this first one. I just had to get it out of my system because it was the first idea that popped in my head and it meant it had to be drawn. So here I am drawing my idea about "You're so sweet, you give me cavities." I was struggling with the colors and I finally decided on this. And I hope you like it. You could download it free, but wait until the ending to figure out how. Now this one was a very cute illustration I did for Draw Samba. That's where you draw every day for December, and I say this illustration will be so cute for this one here because the prompt I should say, was bed, and I didn't want to draw someone on a bed, and I was like, hey, what else is cute? And like, bees laying flowers, so what if the flower is the bee's bed? And I found it was so cute, so I redrew it here, and it looked way cuter here, I must admit. And I would like to say that this bee is my original drawing, but it's totally stolen slash inspired by Cat Mint Studios from Instagram. You should totally check her out. I love everything she does. I love her pins, her stickers. Ugh, so cute. And this bee is just hanging out in his slash her flower bed, because who wouldn't want to have flowers for bed? Okay, yeah. And I just love the color team. The first one I did with the cavities, I totally just made up colors as I went along, but this one I actually looked through Pinterest to find a color scheme that will harmonize with each other, and I really find that these colors really complement each other, and it came out so cute. And when I was drawing this one, I was like, there's no way something could top this cutie, because she's adorable. I don't know. They are adorable. And I even tried my hand at typography again. Yes, I pronounce it typography. I cannot pronounce it the other way. And I didn't like how it was coming out, so I found a font that I liked, and this is the end result. She's so cute. I love it. And this is the last one I did, and it is by far my favorite. I came up with this idea when I was tending to my aloe vera plants. I have a whole field of them. It started as one or two, and little babies keep popping up on the side. So I was like, what if I drew like a card which would have an aloe vera mommy and her aloe vera baby growing out of the same pots, because that's like the main way aloes reproduce. They create little shoots from their roots, and seriously, I have to transplant some more. Like, my aloes keep growing. And I even came up with this cool pun that said, aloe you very vera much, like aloe vera, get it? And I thought I was so original, and something say, hey, go Google it. I Googled it. I was not original, but it felt nice to be original for like 2 minutes. But seriously, and I really like how the coloring of this came out. And again, I chose a color scheme from on Pinterest, which I highly recommend that everybody do if you're not good at color picking, which I am not. So I always look, like if I have a color scheme in mind, I always type that in on Pinterest, and boom, a bunch of color schemes that look good in your drawing. Seriously, ever since getting this new pen tablet, seriously, it's not a pen tablet, but it's a drawing tablet, it has been so much easier and fun to draw things digitally. And this is my final design. I put a cute little heart in the back of it, and as a surprise and a freebie, you guys can go to my WordPress account, which is my blog, and download all these cards for free. Everybody loves free things. And I really hope you enjoy my little Valentine's impromptu Valentine's Day card. Download it, share it, enjoy it. And if you do download it and share it, please take a picture and share it with me on Instagram and on Twitter at swan_creates.com. Swan_creates.com.